Up first this evening, Chief Justice Brian Sykes is to rule next Tuesday whether he will grant leave to the attorneys representing former Education Minister Ruel Reid and Caribbean Maritime University President Professor Fritz Pinnock to challenge the Financial Investigation Division authority to lay criminal charges against the accused. Justice Sykes reserved his decision this afternoon after hearing submissions from the attorneys for Mr. Reid and Professor Pinnock, as well as the Financial Investigation Division, FID. Mr. Reid and Professor Pinnock are challenging the decision by the FID to lay charges against them in the Ministry of Education CMU corruption probe. Their attorney, Hugh Wildman, is seeking judicial review, challenging the FID's authority to lay charges against them. He contends that the FID is an investigative body and does not have the authority to lay charges. Lawyers for the FID rejected this argument today and urged the Chief Justice to dismiss the application. On October 9, Mr. Reid, his wife Sharon, their daughter Sharelle, as well as Professor Pinnock and Brownstown Division Councillor Kim Brown Lawrence were arrested and charged following the corruption probe at the CMU and the Education Ministry. The five were granted bail when they appeared in the St. Andrew Parish Court on October 10. They are scheduled to return on January 23.